that's our Samsung fridge, and here's what ended up happening. See, this part, this entire piece kind of broke off. And there's the other one, which is still good. And here is the piece that broke off. I tried super gluing it, but that didn't work. So now I drilled 2 holes through it. And then what I'm gonna do, I have 2 different size screws I'm gonna go with. These are like a really aggressive wood screw. That's gonna be on the one side because of the design. This is gonna be on the one side. This is thicker, like that. The shorter one is a backer board screw, just on that side. But we'll see, I might end up using both of those. The reason I'm gonna do that and not use what I've seen online is some glue and some other stuff is because I still think that's gonna over time just break off. You really don't even need it either. You don't need it to be on a hinge because it still works when you pull it. So that's what everybody's been doing, is kind of just been gluing it into the base and stuff like that. But you can see it's very thick. So where I'm talking about screwing it in, there's no way it's gonna penetrate into that, right? So it should be plenty fine. It's right there. It should, and we'll look after. So right now there's no holes. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I pre-screwed this one in here. You can see it goes in like that. And the objective, I know this is weird, but worst case, it's a new fridge. I don't think so though. There, I think it's starting to. Maybe that's backfiring. It's kind of spinning out. Okay, let me try the other one. This is totally MacGyver. Oh, there. Okay, that one's definitely nicely. Let's look on the other side here. Yeah, no holes or anything. So we're pausing. My wife wanted to clean it. She's like, it looks terrible. We're not heathens.
No, you don't.
I know.
You use the wrong product.
Well, I think,
you
I
use
figured that.
Lysol.
But like, wow, he's really trying to fix this thing.
No,
and I'm
but you
like,
don't. You use the proper
gosh.
cleaner. There,
Don't.
see? Looks much better.
That does. Thank you, kindly.
Right.
Okay, so now this is locked in place. This one is still flippy because what it does, in case you're curious, is that little metal thing. All it's doing is kind of helping push against this part. So it's not really necessary. You can just pull it. All it's doing is helping you pull it. So I'm gonna try attaching it without doing anything to that one right there, and let's see if it works. All right, so this one has like a little Allen wrench hole. This one does not. So what you're supposed to do, this thing here, is like lock that in place. Okay. All right, so I'm not gonna undo what I just did. I removed the backer board screw that I had here because when you want to pull this thing out like that and you want to have this thing come in vertical and push down, then you rotate it over, but it's still a little tight. If you push in here, let me grab the camera really quick, flip it like this, you can see the screw right there. It's a little tight, so you kind of have to hear a little bit of crunching sound, and then you get it in onto this side. All right, so here's the final result. It opens. And with that one screw I have on this side, it's not gonna go anywhere. There's a little bit of flex going on there, you can see. And really, at the end of the day, it's fine. No one's really gonna notice that too much. Rest of the fridge works really well. And apparently, from what I understand, the replacement part, there was no actual way to fix that. You had to replace, like for 350 bucks, this entire thing. And it really would be a shame to do that. Really seem make a lot of sense. So that's the fix for now. Eventually, over time, this fridge will probably start to fall apart. It already kind of has a little bit of wear and tear, but that works. no glue. Take care. Y'all take care. Bye.